It's never too late to explore the latest color trends and find inspiration for decorating your bedroom. Sometimes, simply adding new accessories can completely transform the decor. However, if you really want to make a significant change, painting the walls adding its combination can be a great option. Here are some bedroom decor ideas inspired by current color trends. Vibrant magenta. One color that you can't ignore is vibrant magenta, which is popular every year. While this color might seem intense for a bedroom, you can easily incorporate it by choosing a lighter shade or using it in small doses, such as through accessories or by painting just the ceiling. Another option is to use a magenta duvet cover to match a more neutral decor scheme. Earthy tones. Earth-inspired shades are making a big comeback this year. These subtle tones evoke a sense of nature, such as clay, sand, and other natural elements. So, go ahead and explore the latest color trends to give your bedroom a fresh and updated look. It's never too late to discover new things and find inspiration for your home decor. Green. Green is making a comeback as a trendy color. Reminding us of beautiful forests and promoting sleep, it pairs perfectly with natural wood for a stunning look. Orange and terracotta. Don't dismiss the idea of using orange and terracotta in your decor this year. These intense colors can work well in a bedroom if you choose the right shade. Opt for softer tones like pink or apricot to create a more neutral palette. Pair it with green, black, white, or even brown for a stylish and easy-to-integrate look in your bedroom. White classic. The timeless appeal of white paint is here to stay. A white room exudes relaxation and serves as the perfect backdrop for any style of decor. Plus, you can easily incorporate colorful accessories like frames, shelves, and chairs to switch up the look and stay on trend year after year. Pretty in pink. Pink continues to make waves in fashion and home decor. From walls to cushions to carpets, this hue is everywhere. When choosing a shade for your bedroom, opt for a softer powder pink rather than overly bright tones. Consider painting just the wall behind your bed to create a stunning contrast effect. Beautiful black. While black may seem intimidating, it can add a touch of sophistication to your bedroom. Of course, you don't want to overwhelm the space by painting all the walls black. It's all about finding balance. Use black in strategic ways to bring life and contrast to your bedroom design.